So by the end of this video, you guys are going to learn 3 easy steps that you guys can do to implement to help 10x your trading, whether you're day trading, swing trading. This is going to be suited for all types of traders that want to be a successful trader. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Carter. I've been a full-time swing trader in the stock market for over 6 years. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school, the Swing Trading Masterclass, where you guys can learn how to trade, the strategies, the scanners, how I find stock, my emotions, pretty much everything you guys need for mastering the market. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this here. So when it comes to swing trading, obviously the first thing you guys are going to need to understand is have realistic expectations. A lot of people go into trading thinking it's an easy way to get rich quick, and you can turn $100 into $1,000 in 30 days. The reality of it is swing trading and trading in the market makes up of base hits. What that means is instead of buying a stock at $1 and trying to sell it at $1,000, what you make your money on is buying a stock at $1 and selling it for $1.10. Then you just do that consistently, and then over the year, the money compounds on itself. So the first thing you guys are going to need to do, I wanted to just be upfront about that, but the first thing is you're going to need to execute. Execute 5 trades. Follow your system and never break your rules. For me, I always think it's important to have a journal. Where this journal and why it's important is because you can write your checklist for your entry. You're not just buying random companies. As a trader, it's our job to make money. That is the only reason why we trade. So you have to have a clear and easy checklist that you guys can follow. One of the things that I love is stocks on an upward trend, sold off down to some level of support. What's the RSI? What's the MACD? When's the earnings? All of those are in my checklist, so I can go through and just check them off for each stock I trade. Doing this is a very, very easy way to help pretty much choose stocks with high quality rather than just a bunch of quantity stocks. The second thing you guys are going to need is to reflect. Those 5 trades that you take, you need to track your mistakes, your decisions, your emotions when you trade. Reflect on what you learn here. This is super important, and that's why having a trading journal is one of the most underutilized things traders don't do. And why? Right in here. This is mine, and this is the journal I use, and one that I would recommend. I sell it on Amazon. It's $10. But you don't even need that. You can use a 99-cent journal from the dollar store. But where and why this is so important is because you can have your mindset. Am I in the right mindset? Does this trade follow my strategy? Why did I enter this trade? Track your emotions, any errors, ways to improve, comments, notes, draw your setup, describe your setup. All this stuff is in here. And the great thing about this is, with your trading, you can go ahead and you can see where you're making mistakes. Maybe you're buying stocks too early. Maybe you're buying stocks too late, and you need to find that, middle ground. So it's super, super easy to track with the journal. And I made this video not even to promote that. I just think that, having a trading journal is great. All right, the last thing you guys need to do is just improve. So we got execute, we got reflect, and then we got improve. Those 3 things is where and how you guys can be a very, very successful trader and easily 10x your earnings. And ways to improve, obviously, correct your mistakes, adjust your strategy, and then improve your execution is just some easy examples. But guys, that is it. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. I just wanted to jump in, make this easy and quick video for you guys so you guys can 10x your trading, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to check out our swing trading school, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.